just got home with the next project. I believe it's between a 70 and a 72 Honda CL70. I guess I'll call it an original Survivor. Definitely needs some work. It sat for like 35 years. It's got a little over 600 original miles on it. $681. All right, so we got her off the truck. This is our first real good look at it. We went and picked it up and just got it loaded up and got out of there so we can get home. But so again, original, I'm going to call it a Survivor. I guess that's the term now everybody's using. 681. Took the cap off. There's gas in there. I don't know if somebody tried to recently put fresh gas in it, but I don't think it's fresh gas. It smells like varnish. I know you're not probably seeing that, but it's got just your, I'm hoping right now, just your basic surface rust in there. I'm thinking that this tank can be sealed without any issues. It seems solid. You know, little things of surface rust from sitting for 35 years. But here's the motor. That looks all there. Looks like the original carb. Our 1M hanging off there. Looks complete. Definitely missing the rear brake light and directionals, missing the front. And I don't know if at one point somebody was just using this to ride around the yard, but definitely needs a headlight. Muffler's in good shape. A lot of surface rust sitting in a barn all those years. I'm thinking a lot of that'll clean up actually and shine up. Hopefully we can get these fenders cleaned up. Got the rear pegs. The motor felt like it was stuck at first, but motor's free. Basically a one-owner bike. The lady I got it from her next door neighbor, elderly man. I guess he was like 90 years old, and they were cleaning out the barn, and she picked it up and brought it next door to her house, and that's how we ended up with it. So one owner. Grips still look like new. I want to jinx myself, but the seat looks perfect. So that's pretty much it. We're going to probably make some videos on this. Not sure what we're doing with it yet. Fix it up and keep it. I like it. It's a pretty cool little bike. Or we might just clean it up and see if there's any meat on the bone and trade it in for the next project. But I don't know. I'm liking it. We'll see. But definitely look out for some more videos. Probably do some videos on cleaning it up and getting the carburetor cleaned and see if we can get this thing started.